Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a new 2025 Lexus GX550 and we've installed a 30-inch slim light bar. I want to show you exactly how much light you get with this product. These are the factory low beams, these are the factory high beams, and this is the 30-inch light bar. The slim 30-inch light bar has a combo beam pattern which not only provides distance, but it has a really nice wide angle. Take a look at the tree that's lit up that you can't even see in the high beams. So with the high beams, you can't see the fence in the back and you can't see the tree in front of you. So it makes a huge difference. Let's go ahead and cycle it on and off a couple of times. And this is in comparison to the high beams. Make sure to check out our step-by-step instructions so that way you guys can get confidence to install these products yourself. Thank you guys for watching, and I know you guys are going to love the product.